Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 151 of Gardening About Edits. And this is complete and plus one of the bet put on me by another YouTuber saying that I can't do 20 videos in one weekend. This is 21 videos, so blackjack. So anyways, this video is going to be about, I get a lot of questions about my clusters. Let's flip it around. This is the Donut Peach. Here is the Flavored Grenade Pluout. We've already picked so many of this off and started harvesting. But I get a lot of questions. How do you get the birds off of your trees? Or the birds ate all of mine, they only left me one, or the squirrels ate them. Well, we're starting to walk to it. What's this really interesting fruit right here? What is that? What is that? Oh, it's a bell to let my dog and me know, or scare off the squirrels and maybe some heavy birds, that they're in the tree. There's one there, two over there, three, some on the grape. And I also hang fake snakes on the trees to scare them even more, really colorful ones. So these are little things I do to keep them off. But here's the thing. This is what I always tell people. If a squirrel or bird is number one, they're thirsty. So if you put bird baths out, they will drink the water instead of eating your fruit, because they really don't want to eat the fruit. Yes, it probably tastes delicious to them, but they're thirsty, especially in the summer. But this, if they're really hungry or thirsty, this won't even stop them. Not even a dog will stop them. But regardless, it's good to help and be proactive to try to stop them as much as possible. So, yeah, that's about it. That's 21 videos in the weekend. And I'm gonna take a break now. I gotta edit, not edit, but I gotta edit in YouTube Studio. In the back end, so that's a lot of work to do right now. All right, everybody, happy gardening. Now I should put a bet on you now. I'm not gonna mention the name of the YouTuber, but I should put a bet on you. Bye.